In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Mailchimp email as PDF. We'll turn a Mailchimp campaign into a clean, shareable PDF using the tools you already have in your browser. This approach preserves your layout and keeps your links clickable, making it great for approvals, archiving, or sharing with your team. Start by signing in to your Mailchimp account and heading to the campaign section. This is where all your email campaigns live. If you have many, you can search or filter to quickly find the one you want to export. Make sure you're on the list view so you can see the options next to each campaign. Hover over the campaign you want and click the small drop-down arrow to reveal more actions. From that menu, choose View Email. This opens the web version of your email in a new tab, exactly as a subscriber would see it in their browser. Give the page a moment to fully load all images and styles, because what you see here is what will be captured in the PDF. With the web version open, it's time to print to PDF. On Windows and most Chromebooks, press Ctrl plus P. On a Mac, press Command plus P. This opens your browser's print dialog. In the destination or printer field, select Save as PDF. In Chrome or Microsoft Edge, you'll see Save as PDF as a built-in option. In Firefox on Windows, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. On a Mac, you can also use the PDF button in the lower corner of the print dialog to save as PDF. Before saving, review a few settings to get the best result. Set the layout to portrait for most emails. Switch to landscape only if your design is especially wide. Enable background graphics so your brand colors, images, and buttons look the same as they do online. Adjust margins to default or none, depending on how tight you want the edges. If anything looks clipped in the preview, reduce the scale slightly, for example to 90 or 95%, until the entire design fits cleanly on the page. If your email is long, you'll see multiple pages in the preview. That's normal. When everything looks right, click Save, choose a clear file name, and pick a folder on your computer. Your PDF will include the full email content and links remain clickable. Keep in mind that interactive elements like videos won't play inside a PDF, and animated GIFs may display only a single frame. That's it. You've exported your Mailchimp email as a polished PDF, ready to share, store, or attach wherever you need it.